Hello everyone, this is Christy Kairos in Linguistics course number 22285. Today I will be discussing the validity, criticisms, and general topic of ape language research. In the 1930s, scientists pondered why our most closely related organisms, chimpanzees, did not have language. Scientists began to theorize that if chimpanzees were raised as humans, that they too would be capable of human language. The experiments began with Gua, a 7.5-month-old chimpanzee who was raised alongside Winthrop Kellogg's human son. At 1 year old, Gua was capable of understanding human language, but incapable of forming any sort of words in response. As a result, Kellogg abandoned this experiment. Shortly after this experiment came to light, scientists discovered anatomical differences between humans and other primates involving flexibility of the larynx and tongue that make humans capable of human language. After scientists became aware of these anatomical differences, they began to focus on sign language as a means of communication for primates. Animals such as the chimpanzee washoe, the bonobo kanzi, and the gorilla Koko became subject to this and other related research. After much time and effort on behalf of caregivers, Washoe and Koko became capable of learning sign language, and Kanzi was able to use lexicograms to communicate with the world. Criticism, however, lied in whether or not these animals were truly capable of understanding what they were signing and whether or not their words, so to speak, carried any emotional weight. In the example of Koko the gorilla, critics have asked whether or not we have projected our own emotions onto the losses that she's experienced, such as the loss of her kitten All Ball or the friend that she had, actor Robin Williams. Or whether or not she's acted actually in response to the pain of the caregivers that she's formed relationships with. Irregardless, these animals and many others have raised questions regarding the morality of keeping animals in captivity away from their families and the validity of claims that primates such as Koko are capable of not only understanding, but feeling and expressing grief. While these concepts are all really a lot of fun to debate, it's almost indisputable that apes have their own language and they have the potential to learn our language too, whether that's through lexicograms or sign language. Thank you.